How to fix notifications not working on Android. Hey everyone, Rose here. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to fix notification not working on your Android device. If you are missing important alerts from apps, here are some simple troubleshooting steps to get things back on track. First of all, you have to check app notification settings. Open the phone settings on your device. Now select Apps, tap App Management, and look for the app for which the notification is not working. Suppose, let's see for TikTok. As you can see, there is manage notification option. Open it. So, you can see that we have disabled the notification for TikTok. So, you have to make sure notification are enabled. Toggle the button on. So, this is for the specific app you are having trouble with. The next step you need to follow is simply you have to check Do Not Disturb mode. Make sure Do Not Disturb mode isn't turned on. You can find it on your quick settings menu section. Simply scroll from top to down and then underneath the silent mode or the sound and vibration in your phone settings, there is airplane mode. If it is turned on, simply you have to tap on it once again and turn it off and make it to gray. Once you do that, follow the next step if your issue does not resolve. For that, you have to clear the app cache. So for a particular app, you can simply clear the application cache. Suppose it is same for TikTok, you have to tap and hold TikTok app, tap I icon to get access to app info, select storage users, now tap clear cache. Once you do that, you need to make sure to check background data and permission. Ensure app has permission to run in the background. So again, open settings, go to apps, select app management and then search that specific app. Now tap on battery uses and then you have to make sure to toggle the button on for allow background activity and tap on allow button. Come back and select data uses and make sure to toggle the button on for data or background data. So once you have followed all the steps, if none of this step worked, you need to try updating or reinstalling the app. This can fix many bugs like notification not working. So simply what you need to do is you need to tap and hold particular app and then select the trash button and tap on install and again reinstall from Play Store or App Store. So that is how we can easily fix notifications not working on Android. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.